You can do mathematics. You can understand mathematics. And you can enjoy mathematics. I know this without a doubt. I know this undoubtedly that you can do, understand, and enjoy doing and learning mathematics. I know this without a doubt because, well, first of all, this is a math channel. You're here, you're watching this video right now. It means you have some interest in doing mathematics. Now that interest, it might be because you actually have a genuine interest in mathematics. It might be just because you are forced right now to do mathematics, right? You might be in a math class. You might be, let's say, in a basic remedial math class. You might be in maybe like pre-algebra or maybe college algebra, or maybe you're in, let's say, pre-calculus, or maybe calculus 1, calculus 2, calculus 3, or maybe differential equations, or maybe, I don't know, modern algebra or abstract algebra, or maybe, I don't know, real analysis or complex analysis or topology. You might know a lot more math than I do, or maybe not. But I can tell you right now that math does not, even a little bit, math does not come easy to me at all. Now, there are, without a doubt, some people that have a different skill set, or we could say maybe talent, right, than other people, right? Some people are naturally maybe more athletic. Some people are better, you could say, maybe public speakers, or maybe work with their hands, or some people are better at certain subjects than other people. There are, without a doubt, some people that math comes easier to than others. But I can tell you, without a doubt, I am not one of those people. Okay, and you may, if you follow this channel at all, you may have seen some of the math videos I've done in the past, and you're saying, okay, wait a minute, this guy definitely is good at math. No, I may put on a good show. I am not good at math. And you know what? I am very much content knowing that I will never be whatever good at math even means. Because I know I am at the very beginning of my mathematical understanding. And I know, and I am very content knowing, that is where I will always stay. But there is I can't even explain the feeling I get when I do mathematics. Okay, I never ever thought that I would even go to college. Had no clue what I was good at or what I wanted to do. Then I started working at this company. I worked 12-hour shifts, and the job was it was awful. Long story there. But then I never ever thought that I'd go to college, didn't know what I was gonna do with my life. But then I finally, one day, after being out of school for over 15 years, I said, you know what? I hate my job. I've always maybe kind of liked math a little bit, but I don't know what I'm good at. So maybe I'll finally maybe brush up on some math. The last math class I actually took was way back in, I believe it was 1999. It was a pre-calculus class. I remember I had this old teacher that I understood absolutely nothing in that class. I didn't need the class for graduation, so I ended up dropping that class, and that was the last math class that I took for 15 years. And then I thought I'd maybe finally brush up on some mathematics, so I remember I went to the library and I picked up this book called Pre-Calculus Demystified, and teaching myself some pre-calculus. And then I kind of became associated with some people on social media. I found, I remember Ed Berger, and he was amazing. Ed Berger is amazing. And I kind of taught myself calculus by watching Ed Berger's videos. And at that time, I was saying, you know what? There is no such thing as a math person. Because I knew for certain that math did not come easy to me at all. I knew I didn't have a high IQ. I knew that, you know, I didn't know what I was good at, right? I didn't know what kind of talent I had. But I knew that definitely mathematics was not something that came easy to me at all. And at that time, I'm teaching myself calculus, and I'm like, well, if I can do it, anybody can do it, right? And I said there's no such thing as a math person. But I have definitely changed my views since then. Because yes, there are definitely people that math comes easier to than others. But I have said I am not one of those people. So regardless of how you feel about mathematics, you're here, you're on this channel, so it means, again, you have some interest in doing mathematics. So again, you might be way more advanced than I am, but regardless of where you are on your mathematical journey, I would be so grateful if you could give me a follow here on the Math Playground, and let's play and learn some math together, and let's go down and get lost in the rabbit hole of mathematical enchantment. All right, I'll calculate later. Take care.